I always look forward to making this key lime pie. It's probably one of our favorite dessert recipes. And I'm not alone. If our son sees a bunch of limes on our counter, his first question is always, "Mom and Dad, are you making key lime pie again?" For the crust, toss graham crackers into the food processor and pulse until they're crumbs, then mix them with sugar, a pinch of salt, and melted butter. It should look like wet sand. Press it into your pie dish. I always get a little nervous at this point. Maybe it's just me wanting it to be perfect, but you don't need to stress. Press it in firmly and round out the edges. You'll bake it for about 10 minutes while you make the easy pie filling. If you have key limes, go for it, but bottled key lime juice works too. We've used it and we're happy with it. But honestly, we use regular limes. I actually think it turns out a bit better. The filling is simple: egg yolks, a can of sweetened condensed milk, lime zest, lime juice, heavy cream, and a bit of sugar. The extra egg yolks and cream are what makes this pie so good. It comes out softer, creamier, and just really delicious. Bake until the pie is mostly set, but still a little jiggly in the center. It will finish setting up as it cools. Speaking of cooling, this pie is even better after some time chilling in the fridge. Overnight is best. It slices so much more easily that way. Before serving, we always top our pie with lightly sweetened whipped cream. Swirl it over the top, slice it up, and dig in. This one's a keeper.